The town of Ocho is recognized as one of the most popular cruise destinations in the Caribbean and has been a destination of choice over the years. To enhance the experience, the Urban Development Corporation UDC has partnered with other government agencies on a program to upgrade the town of Ocho and its cruise tourism product. Under the 5-year development master plan, which is called the Greater Ocho Redevelopment Plan, approximately $761.3 million have been spent to redevelop the cruise terminal, the ground transport area, and also the Turtle Beach Road. These projects were completed in 2014 on behalf of the Port Authority of Jamaica PAJ through the Tourism Enhancement Fund TEF. Continuing the redevelopment plan, work is now underway to build out the promenade, a 400-meter walkway linking the pier to the town of Ocho also through the TEF. This will provide an easy and safe walkway for locals and visitors through the busy town while providing a scenic view.
The features that are involved in this phase of the project includes the colored concrete walkways, pavers to the walkways as well, stone facing on the walls. We have timber kiosks that are reminiscent of old Jamaican architecture. We have lots of foliage landscaping that will also enhance the beauty and the offering here at the promenade. So what we're doing here is to enhance the beachfront, to create a promenade where people can walk, sit, eat, purchase merchandise at our kiosks that are being constructed, and also have a more welcoming environment as they journey along in the town of Ocho.
Meanwhile, over at the fishing village, major works are being carried out, as well as general aesthetic and security improvements by the Port Authority of Jamaica. The next phases of the Greater Ocho redevelopment plan are the continuation of the streetscape development along Main Street from Turtle River Road to the Craft Market and the development of the boardwalk along the beach.
So that when guests come off the ship, they can walk freely, walk along the shops, get the gastronomy experience, get that immersion experience into the town, and get the vibe and liberty with the people.
The town of Ocho will see other developments, such as a redesigned market space and shopping center, adequate parking facilities, and the development of the Ocho Bay Beach.
We'll be looking at redesigning the entire layout of the market to integrate more of the transportation, having 2 tiers in the market, dealing with parking on that site. The rest of the parking in the town, we've identified about 6 different parking lots and parking blocks that we'll be creating 1,200 parking spaces for people to be at. In the ORCC, the Ocho Shopping Center, that area will be transformed into a festival marketplace, and it will access a vista to the sea. The Ocho Bay Beach will be redeveloped as well. We're looking at recreating the jetty that's there, cleaning up the beach, doing dredging in that area, fixing the groin a little bit more. And then at Pineapple Place, where we have the government agencies now located at ORCC, they'll be put there. And you'll have a business incubation center for the youth that are coming out of college, Brownstown, etc., that need to plug into the next level of commerce, interacting with the tourist town, and have incubation of ideas, and also craft and other government services will be in that space.
Further development in the town will also address drainage for water runoff and the build-out of an artisan village near the Turtle River Park, bringing together approximately 170 persons with different art forms and gastronomy. And speaking of art form, the UDC will be hosting its annual fireworks on the waterfront in Kingston. So come out on December 31 for the fun, the food, the entertainment, and most of all, the spectacular fireworks. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at www.udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.